Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think you're wise? No, it's not a trick question. I really ask you. You really think you're wise? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. So make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here so every morning, 5 o'clock Jamaica time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 1, from verse 18 to verse 25. Because the message about how Jesus dead upon the cross for we, coming like foolish to the one them when no believe and I go a hell. But to we, the one them we save, it show how God powerful. Cause it right down say, me I go show the people them we think, say them wise. Say all of the sitting them with them think up, a foolish. And all of the sitting them with them think smart. Me I go mash them up. So then, when you think I go happen to the people them we think, say them wise. When you think that mean for the law teacher them. When you think that I say about the people them we love argue about everything. God not done show. Say all of this sitting them with them people they think say they know. A foolish. Cause people think say they wise. Left to themselves, they wouldn't know God. But since God really wise, He make it so that people could get saved if them believe the same message where them say, a foolish. The Jew them a look for miracle work before them believe. And the people them we are not Jew, them not go believe if the message we are preach not sound wise to them. But you see, we preach about how Christ Jesus dead upon the cross for save we. The Jew them begs anytime them hear the message. And the people them we are not Jew think say a foolish we attack. But you see the people them where God call for being pickney, whether them are Jew or them are not Jew. That message there show how God powerful and how Him wise. Cause the sitting them where God do, where the people them when no believe, take for foolish. Make more sense than anything where anybody could have think about. And when they look pan and say, "A weak, God weak," it's stronger than the strongest thing anybody could have do. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.